Welcome, everybody. Welcome back to our channel Tech World. Let's get into today's video. Today's video is on how we guys can fix our Facebook Marketplace not showing up. As you guys can see on my shortcut bar at the bottom, there is Home, Friends, Watch, Profile, Notification menu, whereas the Marketplace button, well, don't worry about it because I'm going to be showing you guys how we guys can see that Marketplace button over here. Alright, so by the end of this video, there's going to be a Marketplace button on your screen as well. So before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel, Tech World, then just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with the video. First step, you open your Facebook and you're going to go on the menu button at the bottom. And where you see the setting button at the top right corner right beside the little search icon, just click on it, and once you click on it, you can see the shortcuts icon on the preference tab right below notifications. You want to click on shortcuts. Once you click on shortcut, you want to go and register a shortcut bar over here. Once you go on shortcut bar, there's going to be Marketplace and it's an auto, so what you want to do is click on auto and click on where it says pin. Once you click on pin, it's going to be paid at the bottom. As you guys can see, my Marketplace has just appeared alright, so that's how we guys can do it. So it's that simple. So if you guys found her video helpful and how we guys could fix your Facebook Marketplace not showing up. But just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys next time, but until then, bye bye.